Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Acura MDX key battery. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver, preferably a jeweler's size, to carefully pry open the key fob. Make sure you have a new CR 2032 coin cell battery ready. It's also a good idea to work on a clean, well-lit surface to avoid losing any small components during the process. This simple task can save you a trip to the dealership. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot or indentation along the edge of the fob, usually near the key ring attachment point. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, you can begin to pry apart the two halves of the key fob. Take your time and apply even pressure to avoid damaging the plastic casing. It should separate with a soft click. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note or a picture of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side. Use your screwdriver to gently pry out the old CR 2032 battery from its compartment. Now, carefully insert the new CR 2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, which often has a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one was. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the internal components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until you hear them snap securely into place. Give it a quick test to ensure your vehicle responds. You've successfully replaced your key battery. Also, for other great deals and the link to those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check the description below. They're truly worth it for comfort and durability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.